ತುಂಬ ಆಳವಾಗಿ study, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ study, every breath you are taking in and out is making the skin at that point a senseless skin. Perfectly relaxed, perfectly rejoicing in the state of relaxation. It has become a dead skin at this point. You will not feel any kind of prick or punch pain in this area. But whereas on the other hand you have the sense, this area, it is purely a senseless skin, totally relaxed, perfectly relaxed. Once you see your own hand, your own skin, you will be wondering how this is happening. You can feel no pain at all, and you will be wondering how comfortable you are. There is no sense at all at this portion, and you feel very happy after seeing your own hand. Perfectly relaxed, 100% relaxed. Slowly, ನಾನೀಗ 1, 2, 3 ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್, ನೋ ಪೇನ್, ನೋ pinch at that point. 3, 2, 1, slowly open your eyes, Rama madam.
Oh no!
Oh my goodness!
I didn't know at all. At one point I just felt, but I
Okay.
didn't know that it was
Wonderful. No worries. There is no pain, nothing.
No.
Now, ನೀವೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ just pull ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗೀರಿ. You will not feel any pain or anything like that. Hold on. Just give me this. This should be disposed of properly. This is here. So this should go to the dustbin there. ಆಮೇಲೆ you will not feel.
pinching.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. Even now you will not have any sense at that point. You can feel that, but whereas on the other hand you can check, you have the sense. You can pinch and see on the other hand. You have the sensation. Perfectly relaxed. See, this is a proof where you can see hypnosis works with the senses.
For healing. Is it?
Yes. Not only that, yeah. It was like anesthesia working